This is a demonstration video on how to purchase JBCC documents using the Pro Suite. Click on Pro Suite. You are required to have downloaded and installed Adobe Acrobat Reader, which is a free version. If you do happen to have the paid version, that is fine. It's to your advantage, but it is not mandatory. You are further required to ensure that you have the correct settings for the browser that you are using. For example, if you're using Chrome, Opera, or Edge, or Mozilla, these generally do not use Adobe Acrobat as the default PDF viewers, and requires you to make a setting to these browsers so that when you do save documents and populate documents, that the data is using Adobe Acrobat format. So click on that link there to ensure that you have followed the steps for your particular browser. You will be required to create an account. This is because you're working online in the cloud. Your documents will be stored in the cloud. You will then therefore have to log in with an email address and a password so that you can access your previously purchased documents. If you haven't already created an account, click on Create Account. If you're not sure whether your company has previously registered, click on the bottom button, check to see if your company is previously registered. If it's not, then you can register either as an individual user or as a company user. So if you're not previously registered, then you will use that option over there. It will ask you for some basic information whereby a profile will be set up for your account in the cloud. I'm not going to register because we have obviously done so, so I'm going to go back, and what we would need to do is then log in. So we can click in Pro Suite Login on the button over there, or the same button is on the top right hand corner. If you do want to read more about or watch some videos about the Pro Suite, you can watch a video. You can find out about Pro Suite Premium, or click on the button to read more about the use of Pro Suite. If you want to look at a comparison between Basic Suite and Pro Suite, you can click on that button over there. If you do need any assistance, you can either click on Get Help, telephone numbers are available, or you can click and populate and somebody will return or get back to you either online or by means of an email. I'm going to log in, click on Pro Suite Login and enter Pro Suite. I happen to already have been logged in, so the step before this is it will require you to feed in your email and password that you would have been generated at the time of creation of your account. I have already logged in, so I'm now going to enter the Pro Suite. Select your company, that is if you do have multiple companies, and it will then take you to a screen where you have now the choice to either buy project or a reference document. For further information and videos on how to use Pro Suite, once you're logged in, click on User Instructions and you will find videos showing you and demonstrating how to move further within the Pro Suite. These videos will explain in more detail how the Pro Suite works, what are the Pro Suite Premium facilities, and how do we go about purchasing project and or reference documents. Please ensure, if in case you have forgotten, just make sure you have followed the instructions to enable your browser to use Adobe Acrobat as its default PDF reader. Each screen will have steps, step 1, 2, 3, and 4. Follow the steps if you're not sure in which direction to work first.